Hi everyone, hope you're okay and home learning is going well for you. Today in English we're going to be looking at root words and suffixes. So I want you to remember the name of the end part of a word. So I've given you a little bit of a clue. It's called a suffix and we've done lots of work around this in English in class. So if we've got a word by itself, it's called a root word, and then we can add a suffix to it to change the way the word is in a sentence, to help it make sense or for something that's happened in the past. Okay, so if we've got the root word play, we could change that to playing, or we could change it to played. And again, we've talked about this in class because we can sound playing out, but we can't sound played out because we don't say the eh. So if we see a word that ends in d, we've got to remember that it makes the d sound, and actually sometimes it might make the t sound. So it's just to be mindful of that. So we've got play, playing and played. Then we've got help, helping and helped. Today's suffix is the suffix s, just on its own. So it's another one for us to remember. So let's have a look at this word. If we added the suffix s to this word, so we've got help, now we've changed it to helps. And we've got play, and we'll change it to plays. So I want you to pause the video and have a go at putting these into sentences as the suffix word. So trying to put helps or plays into a sentence. You don't have to write it. You can just say it with your grown-up. It's absolutely fine. So here are some sentences that I've come up with. So we've got he can play with our root word. Then with our suffix on, I've changed it to he plays with the ball. We could have the girl plays with her dolls. There are lots of sentences, and I'm sure whatever you've come up with, I'll find out at the end because you're going to do some of this on your own, and then your grown-up will send it on tapestry for me. So then our other root word was help, which we changed to helps. So we've got he can help. We've got he helps the girl get up. All right. So again, you've come up with lots of different sentences because there's lots of ways of writing them. So your job today is I want you to read and write these root words and add the suffix s and read the new words you have made. So I want you to change run and add in the suffix s. So it would be runs, jump, add the suffix s to a new word, jog and skip, and add the suffix s. So I want you to write the new word with the s on the end. You might want to write the root word first and then write the word with the suffix. That's absolutely fine. So pause the video and write the word with the suffix. Now, with those 4 words that you've just made, runs, jumps, jogs and skips, I want you to write 4 sentences using new words that you have made. So use these sentence starters to help you. So there's a couple of ways to start your sentences. You don't have to use these. You might think of something else. Okay. So before we had he helps the girl get up. Okay. So I used he and I had helps as my suffix word. So you need to use runs, jumps, jogs and skips. So the 4 words that were on this slide, okay, that you've just written down, put those into sentences, and these are just words that can help you. Okay. When you've finished, check your sentences, start with a capital letter and finish with a full stop, and then get your grown-up to send a picture of your work onto Tapestry so I can see how you're all getting on, and if there's been any problems, please let me know and I'll see how I can help you with that. But I'm sure, Nottingham class, you've done this before. I think you'll be fabulous at it. Okay, take care everyone.